Have you ever bought a new set of wheels and wonder why they stick out like a beer belly? Or maybe they sit in and they make your car look like it skipped leg day. Well, in this video, I'm going to explain how offset works and make it super simple. Welcome back to Bushbound. My name is Ethan, and as I said, today I'm going to be teaching you how offset works so that by the end of this video, you could teach your grandma. Even if she doesn't speak English, you could still teach her. Alright, so let's talk about offsets. So we've got positive and negative offsets. And one means it's out. If your rim has a positive offset like this one, it's going to sit closer into the car. If your rim has a negative offset, it's going to sit further out. It'll probably look pretty sick, but it is illegal. But it's about finding that balance between having an aggressive wheel set, but also not sticking out too far. This is what you're going to need. These are the few simple tools that you're going to need. Actually, can we change angles? All right. So the simple tools you're going to need is obviously a wheel or a rim without a tire on it, a level or a straight edge, and a tape measure. All right, first thing you're going to want to do is measure the width of your rim. All right, so just like this, measure the width of the rim. All right, that's going to be upside down for you. 230 mil. All right, that's about that long. About that long. Then you're going to want to get your calculator out, and 230 mil, divide that by 2. So 115 mil is half of 230 mil. Now what that is measuring is, this is the front of our wheel, like this, all right? You go, screws into the car. And what we're trying to find out is our imaginary center line. That 115 mil is our imaginary center line. And we're trying to work out, where does the face of this sit to that imaginary center line? If we know that the center line is 115 mil, what we need to do then is tip our rim onto a flat surface like this, put our straight edge over the rim like this. So now we're going to measure to our straight edge off the back side of that face. And what we're left with here is 145 mil. So now that we've got those two measurements, we've got our 115 mil, which is the center of our rim, and our 145 mil, which is from this to the outside of the rim. We now subtract 115 off of 145. And that's going to leave us with 30 mil. And that means that this rim has a 30 mil positive offset. So as a quick recap, negative offset means your rim is sticking out, and positive offset means your rim is sticking in. And the way to find that is to get the width of your rim, divide it by half with this imaginary line, and then measure from the back side of this mounting plate to the edge of this rim. Then you need to subtract your halfway measurement off of that measurement. How else to explain that? Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you understand how offset works so that you can now find that balance for your sick rig. Please consider subscribing if it did help you, and make sure to go teach your grandma. I'll see you in the next one.